how to add border in Canva. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So you just have to select a design you want to add the border on. So let's say this is the design we are talking about, and after that you just have to select the whole design from here, and then you just have to right click on it or press on the edit option from here, and here you can see a option arrived. You just have to simply click on the shadows option, and you just have to simply click on outline option from here, and after clicking on outline option you just have to change the color to see if the outline is working or not, and let's say we'll give it to the red, and then you just have to simply press on the size icon to see if the image is outlined or not. So as you can see, you can also change the color from here by clicking on here, and you can choose the specific color you want, and you can also change the intensity like this one. As you can see, whenever we're clicking on, intensity is changing. So that's how you can add border in your Canva design. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.